Welcome to Some Guy's Garage. Today we're going to take a look at the DeWalt DCB094K, which is the new USB charging kit. So they used to make a USB charger that only had USB-A on it, so the older style square plugs. This is the new one with USB-C and also is capable of a lot more power. So this one apparently can do upwards of 100 watts so that you can both charge larger devices like apparently a laptop. We'll try that today. As well, this one can actually charge the batteries. So the old one could only draw power. This one you can actually use the wall adapter and charge your batteries through the adapter as well. So you can see here some of the specs. So max battery charging rate's 5 amps. The 115 charger does only 4 amps. So it's actually a fairly fast charger. Although the adapter it comes with will only do 65 watts, but still should charge as quick as most of the DeWalt plug-in chargers. And then as you can see here, with USB-A, it's 2.4 amps, which is pretty typical for USB-A, but with USB-C, you can actually draw up to 100 watts from this device. And it works, as it says here, with both the 20 volt and 60 volt batteries. So kind of a few different options here, but let's open it up and take a look. Start off with the manual, so typical DeWalt instruction manual here. Skip that for now. Who reads manuals? There looks to be a belt clip. That's interesting. This looks to be the USB charger. So this is what you'd plug into the wall. Has a single USB port and a USB-C port and 65 watts. Comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's just undo that and see how long that is. So probably about 3 feet. Probably can't see it entirely in the frame there, but about 3 feet long. And it's that nice fabric feeling one. So nice kind of cable. And then the adapter itself here. So pretty typical DeWalt sled here. Has the 2 USB ports on the back. Should be noted that the USB-C is only for charging. You can't charge through the other port, but you do have both outputs there and the input. And then does have some indicators to show charging status as well, which is pretty useful. But that's it for what's in the box. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, I have one of my 2 amp hour batteries here, and you can see just there that it's only at 1 bar. So let's just try giving this a charge. I'm not going to charge it fully here, but we'll actually try the charging process. So fits on like normal. Some sort of indicator light comes on when it first gets connected. We'll take the adapter here, plug it into the wall at the back of my bench, and plug in the battery here. And there we go. We are charging. So pretty simple and fairly compact. If you compare it to the normal DCB115 charger, so these are the 4 amp chargers that I would normally use, you can see it is actually quite a bit more compact to use and get the added benefit of actually being able to draw power from it. Okay, so next thing we're going to try, I have a 5 amp hour pack on here that's fully charged now. What I'm going to do is try powering my laptop. So this is a Lenovo X1 Carbon Gen 9. The power adapter that comes with these is usually about 65 watts, so should be in the range that this thing is capable of powering. So let's give that a shot now. It should be as simple as plugging it in. And give it a second. We did get the blinking light there. And in the bottom corner here, it says we are fully charged. The laptop was fully charged, but does show that it's on power or on AC power like it would normally rather than the battery. So it is enough to actually keep this laptop up and running. And then the other thing I'd like to try, so this is my phone, it's a Google Pixel 5. I'd like to actually try charging both devices at the same time. So it does have 2 ports, and this one is 2.4 amps. So we should theoretically be able to charge a phone and the laptop at the same time here. So plugged in, and yeah, it shows the battery is now charging. If I lock the phone and come back to it, it shows it is actually charging here. So as it stands, and this one is still charging as well, or still powered, so we can actually use both ports on the adapter at the same time. Also pretty cool. All right, so that's the DCB094K. Overall, it's a pretty simple little device, but looks like it could actually come in handy. Nice to have a power source that uses all those regular DeWalt batteries, but can do things larger than just a phone. You can do a laptop or other large USB powered devices. And as a kit with the cord, the adapter to charge batteries as well, and the adapter to actually use your batteries, it's pretty convenient. I'd say the one downside though is price. I've been holding off buying one of these because they've been typically, in Canada at least, hovering around $120 to $140, which is a lot for just a USB adapter. Prime Day was just recently, and this dropped down to $80 where it started to make a bit of sense. And that's in Canada. I'm sure in the US you can get it a little bit cheaper. But at that price point, I think it's actually worthwhile. I can see myself using this with some of the camera equipment I use here just to give it a little bit longer runtime in a fairly compact package with batteries that I already have. Anyway, that's it for today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider it. And as always, thanks for watching.